What's up with y'all? It's your boy Big J 97. Been a while. Well, nah, it ain't been too long. Nah, it really ain't been too long. It ain't been too long. Look, cuz I got something in my eye, cuz. Yeah, it ain't been too long, man. But look, you already know about. Yeah, damn. Boy, I'm gonna took my eyeball out, boy. God damn. I'm back. Look, you already know what's up, man. By the top of the box, we got another pair on me. We got another pair of these on me, man. Another pair of these reloaders, man. Another pair of these reloaded high 2.0s, man. You got the white on me on this side, man. You got the... Is that blue or purple? You know, I really can't see like that, but we got that one on that side, man. And you got the gold or yellow, whatever you want to call it, reloaded on this side. Then you got the, as always, preview of the sneaker on that side, man. Let's get to it. We finna bust the box open. You already know what's going on. Big, thick boxes is what we like. We got the dark blue laces. Yeah, this navy. We got the navy laces. You already know how it go. On me on the dust bag. On me on the paper. Then we got these navy, blue, green, and yellow things. Patent leather things. Crazy things. Patent leather crazy things. You see that shine off my ring like that. They give, you know, they give it a little extra. You got the green bolt with the yellow around the bolt with the yellow on the reloaded. Yeah, this. I'm glad I ain't skipped this pair. I'm glad I did not skip this pair. It got me, boy. You got the yellow tag with the skeleton in green and white. Navy tongue with the yellow and green OMI logo on the front. Same insoles. Color laces in here. We got the green laces in here. Got a little bit of lint on them. You know, we ain't worried about that though. Finally, another white midsole, man. Been waiting on a white midsole. Finally, another white midsole. Green bottom outsole. It's a crazy. We ain't seen too many. Well, yes, we have. All of them had different color outsoles, right? Yeah. This is pair number. I don't know which pair this is. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This pair number 8. No, I'm tripping. I'm fucking tripping. This pair number 10. Shit, what? Think something flying around here, flying in my eye. This pair number 10, man. I love these colors. This blue, this green and gold. That's a dope. The double layer lightning bolt. I don't think we got a double layer lightning bolt other than the ones I didn't get because they look just like the Hamptons, so I didn't get them. The not the Hamptons, the Nashes. The Nash, the one I didn't get because it looked just like the Uptown. It just had yellow behind the bolt, so I ain't get those. I skipped out on those. But yeah, I don't think we've seen a double layer lightning bolt since those, and it's fire. It's definitely fire. Green fabric insides, green on this little part, green on the outside of the lightning bolt, green on the toe, green laces, navy tongue, yellow tag, green print on the yellow tag, navy back here, green back here, green right here, navy going all the way across, yellow on the reloaded. The yellow on the reloaded with that yellow on the lightning bolt hit different. Should have came with a pair of yellow laces, but I probably could find a pair of yellow laces to put in there. I think that'll set it off. Yeah, I think that'll set it off better than the navies. Let's see. Cause you put the navies, it's like, yeah, you know, it's cool, but I think a pair of yellow laces gonna set these off. So I'm gonna put some yellow laces in these. Yellow laces for sure. It just looked crazy on the light, don't it? Like the way the light hit that pattern, just looked too crazy. Too crazy. The 3.0's about to come out too, man. First 3.0 is dropping this upcoming Friday. So I'm gonna drop this video on Thursday, and the 3.0's drop the day after that on that Friday. So, you know, be expecting those coming up if I cop them. But yeah, it's 2.0 joints right here. I don't think I got no 1.0s. Cause the first couple pairs that dropped in 1.0s, I don't think I got them. I don't think I was buying them back then. Yeah, I think I missed out on all them original pairs, but start of this year I've been going crazy with them, man. Like I say, this pair number 10, bro, and I've been skipping out on the Yeezys for the homies, man. Yeezy Day coming up too, August 1st, August 2nd, but I'm probably not gonna be able to buy shit. If I do get some shit, it's gonna be like one pair. Like I ain't gonna go crazy on the Yeezys. You know, I ain't gonna go crazy on the Yeezys, honestly. But yeah, bro, that's these. I can't remember what they call these. I can't remember the name he gave these. But here you go. Yeah, I can't remember the name he gave these. I could check. Let's see. Let's check the Instagram. See what's the name of these. They call it the HellCat. They call it the HellCat. I'm gonna put the link down to the homies in the description too, for sure, and in the pin comment if I can, for y'all to click it, so y'all could go in there and shop, man. Cause there still be some sizes in stock. If you got a smaller foot, you might get lucky and find your shit. But me with the 13, if I want them, I gotta get them within that first 30 minutes of the drop, or they will be gone. So yeah, you know what I'm saying. It's just that, my boy. That's that. Hey, like I always say, man, like if you want to, comment if you want to, subscribe if you want to. At the end of the day, you're going to do what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Go tell everybody you know. Everybody you know, or everybody you knew when you used to be a hoe, to come over here and subscribe. Because we get to it on this side, man. To the next video, it's your boy, Big J97. You feel me? And I'm out, man, with the exclusive High Part drip on. You know what I'm saying? If you don't got none, you're just not invited.